Okay, so we're gonna do a Roblox video on just Tornadoes 1. We've gotta go into a create private server to get commands. Join. It's my private server, so it's absolutely fine. Yeah. So I'm gonna spawn Dominator Free against all the EFs. It's a scale. Okay? So we're gonna so create a private server, press dot and type in spawn. Spawn EF0. So now basically, yeah, an EF0 will pop up. Yep, EF0 will pop up. And then so we drive. Oh, I don't have very good balance on. So I'm gonna just go with this ramp. This is the way I always get to most tornadoes. So yeah, very fast way. Does the tornado move down? Yeah. So guess we gotta go quick. And so the EF0 tornado is gonna be silly me. We gotta go quick. Get this. Come on, deploy. Then we just wait for the screen to start shaking, and then we're inside the tornado. And so now we basically done it. We're gonna get the rope. Now we've gotta go over here. No. Alright, reverse. I have to reverse. Alright, there. Yeah. Dot. F. How is it on it? So, yeah, we have to move him before he goes off the map. Come on, go. And this is where Penty is. I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna go. Over here. What is this? Okay, so where's the EF1 tornado going? I don't know. we will be able to, yeah, and just like that. Where are you? Your phone? So I guess your phone's pretty close. Where can I see the tornado? I think it's hitting, but don't know where it's hit. Where it is hitting. There. So, Dominic redeploy. Alright, I guess the probe was too late. Oh wow, 1 mile an hour. Oh my gosh. Yep. Where is it? Probe. Probe. There it is. And now we gotta drive with it. Hot. On. No, slow down. Slow down. Bravo. F2. Now is it here? No. Dot. Cotton. Here. Dot spawn EFT. Bravo! Why do my tornadoes keep facing that way? Now I have to go. Gotta get a new breed. Not gotta get a new tornado breed. Probe? Are you serious? Who placed their probe there? Probably Twist X. Because it's so sticks, it's called. I think it in the last name. Yeah! Dude, I guess gonna hit already. Gotta drive fast. Fast. Yes. 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 No. Oh, come on, bro. You have to. Bro, are you serious? You have to. Where are you? EF2. Oh damn. Where is it? Doesn't know we have to on my screen. What was that? Alright, so as we missed year 2, yes. Year 2 is gone. Okay, so now we spawned Right. Yeah. So we got in. Stop. Stop. I think right here. Nope, it's straight in the center of Confine. Which is actually here. It's still moving. West. Nope. Alright guys, 8 seconds. Dude! Since there's no police in this game, yeah. So we've gotta just... So we're here. Right, you can see the wings. See the wings. Come in. Come in. Come in. I'm recording, no. Yes, we can see. I saw that twice. Alright, so we're going this way. Alright, no. Your fault. Where are you? Your fault. E. Oh no! Oh no. Please. Please let me intercept in your fault. I bet right there. There. Yeah, so your fault, please don't, please. Oh, wait, I guess we're in the tornado. Nope, we're not. Really. If I undeploy right now, I'll go flying. If I undeploy right now, I'll go flying. Trust me, I'll go flying. Still not far. Still not far. Yes, we can undeploy now. Now, the god, EF5. Sponge, F5. Oh jeez! We've got the EF5 warning. Dude, we've got the EF5 warning. Now. Alright, this is probably gonna be... What is it? Sorry, bro. So I'm basically intercepting 2 tornadoes. Okay, I guess no probe. Are these regular probe? No. Don't have the probe, so. So, yeah. Wait to over 200 miles an hour. No. I guess. Rest in peace, Jake Wales. Rest in peace, Jake Wales. Oh, hard landing. Alright, guys, I guess this is the end. Bye bye. See you in the next video.